Hello everyone. Welcome back to Talkish English Channel. My name is Alex, and I'm really happy to see you here today.
Hi everyone. I'm Emma. Thanks so much for joining us on Talkish English Channel. Today we're going to talk about something very simple but very important.
Yes, today's topic is how to talk about your daily routine in English. Because this is something people ask about all the time.
Exactly. Questions like, what do you usually do every day? Or, what's your daily routine like? Are very common in conversations.
And the good news is, you don't need complicated grammar or fancy words to answer these questions.
You just need clear, simple sentences and a little confidence.
Let's start from the beginning of the day. Emma, what do you usually do in the morning?
Usually, I wake up around 6:30. And the first thing I do is check my phone for messages and notifications.
That sounds very relatable.
Then I get out of bed, wash my face, brush my teeth, and get ready for the day.
Those are great daily routine verbs. Wake up, get out of bed, wash, brush, and get ready.
After that, I usually make a simple breakfast at home and drink a cup of coffee.
Do you like a quiet morning or a busy morning?
I prefer a quiet morning. I like to eat slowly and think about what I need to do that day.
That's a great sentence for learners. I like to think about what I need to do today. Quote.
Yes, it's very natural. After breakfast, I usually leave the house and go to work.
Do you commute far?
Not really. I usually take about 30 minutes to get to work.
That's another useful phrase. It takes me about 30 minutes. Quote.
At work, I spend most of my time checking emails, attending meetings, and working on tasks.
So you can say, at work, I usually, and then list your activities.
Exactly. You don't need to explain everything in detail.
What about lunchtime?
Around noon, I take a lunch break and usually eat with my coworkers.
Do you eat out or bring food from home?
Most days, I bring food from home because it's healthier and cheaper.
That's a very natural daily routine sentence.
After lunch, I go back to work and try to stay focused until the end of the day.
Sometimes that's the hardest part.
Yes, especially in the afternoon when I feel a little tired.
Many people feel the same. You can say, in the afternoon, I usually feel tired. Quote.
That sentence alone sounds very natural in conversation.
What do you usually do after work?
After work, I go home, change my clothes, and take a short rest.
That sounds very realistic.
Then I usually cook dinner or order food if I feel too tired.
That's a good way to show choice in your routine.
In the evening, I like to relax by watching videos, reading, or listening to music.
You're using a lot of simple but powerful verbs. Relax, watch, read, listen.
Yes, daily routine English is all about common verbs.
Before going to bed, what do you usually do?
Before bed, I usually scroll on my phone a little. Then I brush my teeth and go to sleep around 11.
That's a perfect full day routine.
Alex, what about you? How does your daily routine look?
My routine is a little different. I usually wake up later, around 7, because I work from home.
That's very common nowadays.
After waking up, I make coffee and sit at my desk almost immediately.
So you start working early?
Yes. I like to start early so I can finish earlier.
That's a great sentence pattern. I like to, so I can.
During the day, I work, take short breaks, and sometimes stretch or walk around the room.
That's good for your health too.
For lunch, I usually eat something simple and quick.
Do you cook or order food?
I usually cook because it helps me relax.
That's interesting. Cooking can be part of your routine and stress relief.
In the evening, I try to exercise a little, even if it's just a short walk.
That's a great habit.
Then I spend time watching shows or practicing English.
That's a great way to improve your skills every day.
I think the most important thing is being honest about your routine.
Yes, you don't need to make it sound exciting.
Simple routines are perfect for English practice.
And the more you talk about your daily routine, the more confident you'll become.
We recommend practicing by describing your day out loud.
You can start from morning and go all the way to bedtime.
Use simple sentences and don't worry about mistakes.
English improves through repetition and daily use.
Thank you so much for watching Talkish English Channel.
We hope this conversation helps you talk about your daily routine more naturally.
Keep practicing every day.
Keep speaking English.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye everyone.
Bye.